I would have done that too.
You want to pet him?
He's one of the more feisty ones.
He's the one who's really friendly. He likes people.
Yeah, this
The brown
one?
one?
No, this one. And if you come up to the cage and they're awake and active, then he usually will come over to the side. And yeah.
Yeah, and he likes being
That
picked up
one's
a little.
trying to ride the other one. Take me for a ride.
Here's your ride.
They're active little things, huh?
It's so cute.
Yeah, they look good.
They have no clue we're recording them, do they? Hey, what you doing? They're soon probably going to fall asleep considering that heating pad's on. They'll get on top of the heating pad, which is right here. Let's go. How cute.
There goes one. Besides, he's going to lay down.
Who wants? This one wants to get out.
Let me see what's over here.
Helping you with that. It's kind of bumpy right here.
Hey, what are you doing?
Me?
Nothing. I'm looking over here. Yeah, what are you looking at? Quit knocking me in the back, you guys. Well, you oughta.
There's
Hey.
some.
That's it. I'm going for it. Get your butt out of my face. Hey, don't put your face in my butt. Yeah, that's what I said, buddy. Better back up. How do you like that? Oh, wait. That's not your face. Whose face is that? That's my face. Ah, yuck. Yeah, well, that's what I thought. Hang your head in shame and take my butt in your face. Oh, well. I guess I'll just rest my head on your back. Let me scooch in here. Hey, where's the back of this thing at? Oh, whoa. I'll just rest right here. Why, you three knuckleheads. No, you. No,
Well, I'm moving.
you.
This is uncomfortable. Ow. Crazy little puppy. Hey, make some room for me. Make some room.
I think this is where I go, right here. Smile, guys.
I think I'll just... Hey, stop it. You stop it. Hey, stop squishing me. Wow, you two better stop it. You're driving me nuts. Why am I in the middle now? You guys always bump me. Let me see if I can find a
Well,
better...
brown one goes wherever he wants to go. He doesn't care.
Hey, get your... Hey, wait, why are you snipping my butt? Why are you snipping me?
I don't care if you're there.
Here, how you like
Move it, Jack.
Go on over here.
I just rest my head right here. Hey. Hey, why is everybody on top of me? What did I ever do to you guys? Move! Get off! Get off! I'm tired of this. I'm going to my own little area. Well, I guess I can't really. I'll just sleep right here. Sit here and you cannot butt me. Hey, stop trying to. You're not bang me out of here. Hey, let me put my head here.
A sad little puppy.
He's sleeping.
Nobody wants to hug on me. Nobody wants to hug on me. I'll just lay here by myself.
That middle one? Right here?
I know there's something for me to eat here somewhere. Somewhere.
Let me see. Sniff, sniff. What's that? Get off me! Yeah, let me just lick you.
I feel sorry for the little one under the
Okay,
brown
boys, I think it's dinner time.
I think I found dinner right here.
What?
And it tastes like fur.
Usually the brown one's on the very bottom and the